Question number 1.
If James had studied harder in New York City, he a scholarship now. A. Would have had. B. Would have. C. Would have been.
Question number 2.
Pierre said he to the Louvre the following week. A. Would go. B. Will go. C. Goes.
Question number 3.
Elizabeth is responsible organizing the annual charity event in Los Angeles. A. For. B. Of. C. About.
Question number 4.
Sophia, along with her friends, planning a trip to Berlin next month. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 5.
Robert wouldn't be so tired now if he'd a bed earlier last night. A. Went. B. Had gone. C. Would go.
Question number 6.
Mateo said that he finished the report before the meeting. A. Had. B. Has. C. Was.
Question number 7.
In Houston, either the manager or the assistants to handle this project. A. Have. B. Has. C. Having.
Question number 8.
In Rome, one of the most famous landmarks, the Colosseum. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 9.
Elizabeth would have joined the concert if she about it earlier. A. Knew. B. Had known. C. Knows.
Question number 10.
Pierre asked if I him with his luggage. A. Could help. B. Can help. C. Will help.
Question number 11.
Ames is capable solving complex problems under pressure. A. For. B. In. C. Of.
Question number 12.
Sophia told me she visiting London last summer. A. Had enjoyed. B. Enjoyed. C. Was enjoyed.
Question number 13.
Robert would have arrived on time if there less traffic in Los Angeles. A. Was. B. Had been. C. Were.
Question number 14.
Mateo is known his expertise in architecture. A. By. B. For. C. With.
Question number 15.
Neither the teacher nor the students aware of the new rule in New York City. A. Was. B. Were. C. Be.
Question number 16.
Pierre said that he finished his degree by the end of that year. A. Would have. B. Will have. C. Has.
Question number 17.
If Elizabeth hadn't missed the flight, she attending the meeting now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Was.
Question number 18.
Sophia was afraid losing her passport in Berlin. A. From. B. To. C. Of.
Question number 19.
Robert was determined improving his English fluency. A. On. B. To. C. For.
Question number 20.
Matteo wondered whether he the right decision to move to Rome. A. Has made. B. Had made. C. Was making.
Question number 21.
In Houston, one of the best restaurants closed last year. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are.
Question number 22.
Pierre would understand the lecture better if he more focused. A. Was. B. Were. C. Had been.
Question number 23.
Elizabeth apologized being late for the interview. A. For. B. About. C. At.
Question number 24.
Sophia said she never seen snow before visiting Germany. A. Has. B. Had. C. Was.
Question number 25.
If James hadn't spent all his money, he traveling to Los Angeles now. A. Would be. B. Would have been. C. Was.
Question number 26.
Matteo promised that he helped me with my project the next day. A. Would. B. Will. C. Can.
Question number 27.
Robert's new job in New York City is similar his previous one in Chicago. A. To. B. With. C. From.
Question number 28.
Pierre was accused breaking the museum's policy. A. To. B. Of. C. For.
Question number 29.
Either the manager or the workers responsible for the mistake in Los Angeles. A. Is. B. Are. C. Have.
Question number 30.
Sophia said she had a wonderful evening at the concert the night before. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 31.
Elizabeth would travel more if she had enough savings. A. Has. B. Had. C. Have.
Question number 32.
Matteo is interested in learning Italian history. A. At. B. For. C. In.
Question number 33.
Pierre is tired listening to the same excuses. A. Of. B. With. C. From.
Question number 34.
Robert said that he'd the meeting if he had known it was so important. A. Wouldn't miss. B. Wouldn't have missed. C. Didn't miss.
Question number 35.
If James were more careful, he lost his keys again in Houston. A. Wouldn't have. B. Wouldn't. C. Didn't.
Question number 36.
Sophia told her friends she'd to Berlin the following month. A. Was moving. B. Will move. C. Moved.
Question number 37.
Elizabeth was proud her achievements in Los Angeles. A. For. B. Of. C. From.
Question number 38.
Matteo said that he never tried Italian opera before that night. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 39.
Neither Robert nor his colleagues ready for the presentation in New York City. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 40.
Pierre would have finished the project sooner if he had more time. A. Had. B. Has. C. Would have.
Question number 41.
James is good explaining difficult ideas clearly. A. In. B. At. C. With.
Question number 42.
Sophia said she waiting for me at the cafe for over an hour. A. Had been. B. Was. C. Is.
Question number 43.
Robert would attend the event if he invited. A. Was. B. Were. C. Had been.
Question number 44.
Mateo congratulated me my promotion. A. On. B. For. C. About.
Question number 45.
Elizabeth said she contact the client as soon as possible. A. Would. B. Will. C. Shall.
Question number 46.
Pierre is committed improving his French pronunciation. A. To. B. For. C. In.
Question number 47.
If James had saved more money, he bought that house in Los Angeles. A. Could have. B. Can have. C. Has.
Question number 48.
Sophia said she planning to visit Greece the next summer. A. Was. B. Is. C. Has been.
Question number 49.
Robert was accused being late to every meeting in New York City. A. To. B. Of. C. For.
Question number 50.
Mateo would be happier now if he accepted the offer in Rome. A. Had. B. Have. C. Had not.